You've got cobwebs coming from your 360. You've got cobwebs coming across from your screen to your 360.
Cobwebs?
Yeah. We haven't been here that long, have we? Camera fuffery. I quite like changing the batteries because it gives you that opportunity to just actually stop, doesn't it?
Right, we're going to try and come back and park just over here. There, I'm sure there's a gap we can fit in, but we have to go up here and turn right because it's a one-way bit. As you turn down here, you'll see it in front of you.
Oh, yeah.
Now, as we go over here, just have a look at that look. Well, that church is like on an island in the middle. But we'll park up because we can walk back round here and video it with a camera.
In 1968, Bristol and the southwest suffered the worst rainstorms for over 55 years. As a result, much of the area suffered severe flooding following more than 5 inches of rain in 24 hours. A wall of water raged down the River Chew and devastated Pensford. During the flood, both the church and the viaduct suffered damage and were deemed unsafe to use. The viaduct has not been used since, and the church is now a private dwelling. The main road bridge on the A37 was swept away, leaving a 50-foot gap. Which then needed a temporary Bailey bridge to be erected. Low-lying areas of the village were under 10 feet of water. Houses were demolished and people were stuck upstairs in their houses.
Torrents of raging floodwater swept through the Midlands and West Country, killing at least 7 and bringing havoc to wide areas following 24 hours of torrential rain. This was the scene at Pensford in Somerset, where a massive force of floodwater ripped away the bridge carrying the A37 trunk road. When at last townsfolk were able to begin cleaning up operations, it proved a heartbreaking job. Lifelong possessions and homes were ruined. The fury of the racing waters had left a wide trail of terrible destruction in its wake.